So hi guys, in this video we will make an interesting turbine. As you know, a turbine is a mechanism for harvesting energy from the flowing fluid. There are many types of turbines, but we will make a steam turbine and we will use water. I always wondered what will happen if we use water for a steam turbine. Would it rotate? Can it produce enough torque to produce power? That's why I built it. So after looking at many designs from the internet, I decided to make this design. Expanding the volume of each stage is used to make the turbine more efficient, because after the water comes out of each stage, the speed of the water decreases. So we need wider blades after each stage. There are 14 parts. All the parts are 3D printed, including the shaft. So there may be some friction involved, but at least that doesn't really make difference right now. Each stage is completely glued to ensure water does not leak. There is a little friction from the plate, but it doesn't really affect the rotation. You can still rotate with reasonable force. To test it, we use water from the tap using this hose. It can rotate. I check the torque by holding the shaft with my finger and pressing the shaft slowly. It still rotates when I press it a bit hard. This turbine has quite a large torque, so next we will try to add gears so that it can rotate faster, so that it can be used to produce power from the generator. We will add a 2-to-1 ratio gearbox, resulting in 2 times more RPM. So this is the turbine with an additional gearbox, and let's test it again. Now it can rotate faster. The gear tolerance looks okay, not too tight or too loose. Maybe it needs more speed to be able to produce power for my generator. So maybe in the next video we will add more gears to increase the RPM and add a generator. Did you see the water coming out of the turbine? It looks really good. Could it be called laminar flow? Maybe you can tell me. This turbine is interesting to learn about. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.